algebraic expression. First question, if x square plus y square equals to 4xy, what is x square by y square plus y square by x square? We have some option. So question 1, we can start from here, like given x square plus y square equals to 4xy, right? Now we can write this one, or we can divide both sides by xy. It means x square plus y square divide xy equals to 4. We can write in here divide both sides by xy. Okay, then this one we can write x square xy plus y square divide xy, and here is equal to 4, right? And then look, this one, it means here is x square and here is xy. It means this fraction we can divide by x, then we will get x by y, plus, and this fraction we can divide by y, so we will get y by x, right? And here is equals to what? 4. Okay, now we can square both sides. This case x by y plus y by x whole square equals to 4 square, it means 16. And now as per a plus b whole square theory, it means x by y whole square plus 2 times x by y times y by x plus y by x whole square equals to 16. Now this one and this one out, this one and this one out. It means x divide x, y divide y. Here only 2 left. And this one we can write x square by y square plus 2 plus y by x square. It means y square by x square equals to 16, right? Now look, we can write x square by y square plus y square by x square, and for these two we can subtract both sides by 2. It means 16 minus 2. Finally we get what? We are getting x square by y square plus y square by x square equals to this 16 minus 2, it means 14. So our answer is 14, which is number B. It's a very important question and also interesting, right? So we are getting the result, which is number 14. Number 1 done. Now we will start number 2. If a plus b equals to root 16 and ab equals to 1, what is a minus b whole square? So first here is given a plus b equals to root 16 and ab equals to 1, right? So this case we can write, we know a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. It's a simple square rules. So here is AB means root 16. So root 16 square minus 4 times a plus b root 16 square minus 4 times ab means 1. We can write 1. Now root 16 square, it means 16. 4 times 1 is a 4, it means minus 4, equals to 16 minus 4 is a 12. So where is 12? Number A is our right answer. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to simplify some algebraic expression for our exam preparation. These kinds of video is ideal for SSC, IGCSE grade 9 to 10. So please subscribe my channel. I have two channels. One is Saadx, another one is MathJip. Both channel you will get lots of things based on math. Thank you.